Where's the puller at, baby? Oh, that's down here.
Okay. You're gonna need it with these.
Oh no.
This is a lot of honey. Well, we're gonna have to clean that board before we put it back.
This must be what he meant by. What is it he said?
Honey bound.
Honey bound.
I
Here.
gotta break it free here.
You can
Yeah, he's
Take that
gotta
from
break
you.
that side over here for me.
I gotta make sure my zipper's up. Sure would hate to have one of those things. This is gonna be heavy, I think, Bob.
Get angry with you mean?
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's heavy.
That's all honey, and it's not all capped, but it's
you get checking it.
yeah.
Oh, it's heavily heavy. Got it?
Yep. I'm just gonna. I don't see any Varroa on any of these things.
I haven't seen a one. No.
And then this one's all capped honey too.
Poor bees, we take all your honey.
No, I'm not taking it all. Oh my God, that's a full frame of honey there.
Wow, beautiful.
Take that one too. Sorry, gals. Okay.
Another one.
That's
with
another
light.
full frame of honey.
Do we have enough sludge for that?
I got another whole frame, another whole box of slats.
We're gonna need more. Do you have more in the thing?
Yep, there's more in there.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab a couple while you guys start here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. This weighs about this one,
Oh, wait. How
7 or
this
8
thing working?
pounds.
The spring came off, so I mean,
This one weighs like 7 or 8 pounds.
I got it. You wanna brush it? You know, I figured out you can't touch your face.
Holy crap.
This one's way capped. Look at that.
Where do you feel it and bring it over to the...
You're gonna need more frames, aren't you?
Yeah, there's...
Because you haven't even started.
I got
We've been
another-
taking the first 3 already.
I got another box of frames in the barn.
Okay.
Oh God, next one cap too. So all of these, I guess, is cap.
Oh, that's another one. Holy crap.
Here, dude. I'm gonna leave you this while I go grab some more boxes.
Okay,
Okay.
I got it.
While I go grab the other box.
Okay.
That's full.
Light and slow.
We got all that full of honey?
That whole box is full of honey.
Just go ahead and grab out another. There's another box like that that's full of frames. Just go ahead and bring that.
Oh, this is not all capped. You want to leave it? Babe, the next one is not all capped too.
It's all capped. It's mostly capped on this side though.
You want to do that?
It's a heavy frame.
Okay. I feel stressed.
You're gonna leave them one or two, aren't you?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna give them about 3 or 4, maybe 3, 4 of them in there. This one.
So.
Next one is pollen.
That's pollen.
Yeah.
Pollen and honey.
Now you leave them the pollen for the winter, right?
Yeah, they're gonna eat off of that.
Cool, that thing's loaded with honey though, dude, somewhere.
And up in the corners, it's like they have pollen there, and then up in the corners, you can see them starting to make honey up in the corners. There's a lot of pollen on this one too. Capping off pollen, honey and pollen.
Need some more in there. That's the smoker. I know I get a little out of hand. I can tell that I'm gonna like beekeeping.
Okay.
That's loaded with.
This is all in here.
I was gonna say that looks like all honey. Found a little
No.
pollen. No.
That's mostly pollen.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It's alright.
This one here looks like it might be mostly alright. Nope. It's got a lot of pollen on it.
No, this one is gonna be your honey one, dude. Right here. I bet money. The money's on this rack right here.
There's a lot of empty, I mean, they're starting to cap it, but there's a lot of empty frame space on there. Go ahead and just throw it back.
Okay, you got 3 there. We took 3 out, or did we take 4 out?
Maybe took 3 out.
We got 3 new ones right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We took 4 out.
I think we
You
good.
gonna be able to get 4 more back in there?
I'm hoping so. I still gotta hit the bottom box.